access more customers and clients, right? So ito po ay isang pagkakataon para kayo po ay ma-expose sa iba't ibang mga players in the industry. So you can grow your network. And for your clients, in fact, ang UPLA po ay isang magandang value added sa inyong mga kliyente or even to your prospects. So when you're trying to convince your prospects, pwede nyo po sabihin that you are an UPLA accredited supplier. By saying so, ito po ay isang patunay na kayo po ay legitimate, hindi po kayo scam, because as a member of UPLA, kina-qualify din po naman natin with proper documentation ang mga business papers ng ating mga members. Okay? And you'll know more about these requirements in a little bit. All right? So simulan na po muna natin. Let me just begin with our agenda for today. So ang agenda po natin, first of all, is the laundry industry challenges. What the industry needs and how UPLA can help. I will take care of this presentation po. I will be discussing with you ano ba yung mga current challenges ng ating industriya and what we believe sa UPLA can help solve those problems, right? Pangalawa po, we'll talk about what UPLA is all about. So what is UPLA, ano po ang primary purpose natin, and of course, we'll introduce to you formally our Board of Trustees and officers, right? And after that, pag-usapan na po natin ang membership benefits, who can become a member. Dalawa po ang klase ng membership, the regular and the affiliate. Later, Sir Yong will be the one to explain. Si Sir Leo po, right? And then finally, I will close again. Babalik po ako sa harapan ninyo to invite you to become a part of the UPLA. Okay? And why joining today it matters, no? Signing up requirements po, si Sir Yong din po mag-cover niyan. Then I'll be back with why joining today matters. All right? So with that, simulan na po natin. Very quickly lang po, we see that there are 10 basic challenges sa industry po natin. Okay? The first one, we believe, is the lack of standardization. Okay? So kung kayo po ay lalabas sa mga laundry shop, titignan niyo ang mga laundry shops, perhaps yung mga in-install nyo, standard sa inyo, naka-align sa standard nyo, no? But if we look at the other shops, marami po walang standardization. Walang unified standard for the washing process, chemical use, hygiene, safety, customer handling, and of course, this results in laundry shops delivering highly inconsistent quality. Diba? Ako po personally, I got into the laundry business because I wanted to receive a good laundry service, no? Eh, since hindi po nga makita sa market, that's why I opened my own laundry shop 10 years ago. So para bang for the reason of providing the kind of service na palagay ko deserve ng ating mga consumers. So UPLA comes in by providing guidelines, best practices, and training to raise and unify professional standards. So yan po ang gagawin ni UPLA for this particular challenge. Another challenge would be yung pong limited access to reliable knowledge. No? Here, shop owners rely on guesswork, YouTube University, di ba? Or kaya sa mga outdated supplier trainings. No? Now, also, the entrepreneurs lack technical, operational, and even customer service guidance. So, kulang na kulang po sa training. And UPLA comes in creating accessible, verified sources of education and industry know-how. So yun po ang gagawin natin as UPLA. The third challenge, yung po tinatawag na fragmented industry. No? The laundry business owners operate individually with no collective support or voice. No platform for collaboration, troubleshooting, or sharing solutions. No? So bali, in other words, KKB. Alam niyo ba yung KKB? Kanya-kanyang banat. Diba? So UPLA builds a professional community that supports each other through forums, events, and networks. So yan po ang gagawin natin. Okay? Next challenge is poor workforce skills and training gaps. No? The staff are not systematically trained. Many shops struggle with quality, productivity, and consistency. So minsan nagiging dahilan din to ng turnover at walang level of professionalism among the operators, no? Ngayon lagi naman natin sinasabi, simple lang ang laundry, pwede naman ituro sa kahit na sinong with good attitude, good character, and willing to learn. Totoo naman po yun. Doesn't require any technical knowledge. However, kailangan pa rin po natin ilagyan ng formal structure ang knowledge and information na ginagamit and skills na ginagamit ng mga staff sa shops. No? So UPLA will offer structured training for owners, managers, and staff to boost performance and retention. So yan pong gagawin natin. Okay? Now, another challenge would be difficulty keeping up with technology. O, diba? Ang dami po mga nangyayari, yung mga bagong modelo po na lumalabas, bagong mga brands na pumapasok sa Pilipinas, hindi po tayo masyadong aware what are their advantages, what are their features and benefits, etc. So this rapid introduction of new machines, eco-friendly chemicals, and automation tools, kokonti ang knowledge ng ating mga kasama sa business. No? Owners are unsure which technologies are reliable or cost-effective. So ano pong gagawin ni UPLA? We will guide members on modern equipment, sustainable systems, and proven innovations. Kumbaga, inaral na natin and then ipakalat natin sa mga kasama natin sa business. Right? Another challenge would be the limited business support. So entrepreneurs lack guidance on operations, no, pricing lalo na. Di ba po, nag-aaway-away sa presyuhan ng mga shops, costing, marketing, and management. Many shops fail because they do not understand business fundamentals, right? So alam naman po natin yan. Kahit may mga kliyente natin, some of them have already closed shop. Sayang, di ba? Tayo po, alam natin how to make their shop profitable. Pero when they started operating by themselves, after we supply the machine and install the machines, ay hindi na nila alam kung saan po sila pupunta. No? And eventually, yun na nga, pinulot na sila sa kangkungan. Kawawa naman po ang industry and most especially yung mga nag-invest na yan sa ating negosyo. Right? Nagkakaroon patuloy ng negative ang laundry kasi daw nadaya lang sila, na sweet talk lang sila ng mga supplier. No? Na sayang naman. No? It can be made better yung kanilang negosyo. So UPLA will offer business training, templates, mentorship to help grow their business profitably. Ayan po yung gagawin naman ni UPLA. Okay? And also lack of customer awareness and trust. Isa pa pong problema to. Customers often experience poor service or damaged garments due to incompetence. So yun nga, babalik tayo sa skills training, di ba? This causes hesitation about professional laundry services. So overall, yung demand for the service na nababawasan kasi walang makitang magandang provider ang mga tao. So might as well, bili na lang ako ng machine ko, ako na lang maglaba sa bahay. Parang ganyan. So naapektuhan din yung negosyo ng ating mga kasama. Right? UPLA helps raise industry professionalism and credibility, benefiting all compliant shops. So meaning pagka po tayo nag-roll out ng standards and all the shops comply with those standards or at least very close to compliance, then makita natin na ang laundry service ay talagang mapagbuti, 'di ba? At magustuhan talaga ng mga customers ang professional laundry service dito sa Pilipinas, right? And then no industry representation. No? So no unified organization to talk to suppliers, regulators, or government agencies. So minsan pagka may mga reklamo sa suppliers nila, walang grupo na sila'y makakasama to complain to these organizations who may not be delivering quality service, quality warranty, quality parts sa kanila. Diba? So we can now voice out their concerns as a group doon po sa mga specific suppliers na ganyan. No? And then of course, the government agencies including lawmaking, no? Marami po tayong mga batas existing na 1930s, 40s, 50s pa with regards to laundry, wastewater, etc. needs updating from the national level to the local government units, no? So tayo po sana ang magiging provider ng tamang information pagdating sa policy issues, regulatory changes that will reflect the industry's realities. UPLA will become the collective voice advocating for fair policies and industry-friendly regulations. Okay? And inconsistent safety and environmental practices. No? May mga clients po ako personally na tinatanong talaga ako about safety. Like for example, in terms of handling chemicals, no? Handling wastewater, and of course, inefficient high energy equipment. So lahat po yan we can promote. UPLA can promote safe, responsible, and eco-friendly operational practices. So this is another issue na pwede po nating matulungan ang industry. Right? And finally, isolation of entrepreneurs. Whether you own a commercial shop or you operate an industrial laundry facility, they still feel mag-isa lang sila, that they lack the guidance, the support of the trusted group to learn from. So no community to ask for help when major problems arise. So tayo po ang magiging community na yun. Together as one, UPLA creates a support system where members find mentors, partners, and peers. Diba? So if you imagine yourself na kayo po ang isang laundry shop owner, okay, kahit na industrial laundry facility pa yan, now you know that you can be with an association that can grow with you, that can teach you, guide you, coach you, at kung kailangan nyo ng kasama in terms of talking to suppliers, the government, or anyone, meron ka ng mapupuntahan. And that will become the UPLA. Okay? So yan po ang ating mga challenge.